T-code.
Hello guys, welcome to my first Python programming tutorial. Video I am showing how to write comments in Python. First of all, comments are remark or explanation of any things. In programming, comments are used for explain a part of code. So let's begin. Open your Pycharm IDE. For writing comments in Python language is much easier than getting subscribers in YouTube. In Python, any sentence or a word written after hash symbol will be considered as a comment. Compiler will not considered as a part of code. We can write anything after hash symbol. Mainly, comment is written for explain the logic or working of the code. Here, I got some weak warnings for my code. Warning says, my code format is not proper. And warning indicated in yellow line. That means I want to leave one space after hash symbol in comment. But hash symbol can be used only for one-line comment for writing in block of sentence. We can use 222 quotes in starting and ending of comment. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, hit subscribe and don't forget to comment. Here I'm giving you free 5 subscribes for your channel for first 5 comments on this video.